Tigers and rhinos are largely endangered species, but their bones and horns are soon going to be available in China by prescription. I'm Adam White, an editor at Inkstone. China has reversed its comprehensive ban on the use of rhino horn and tiger bone. The government is allowing farm-raised tigers and rhinos to be harvested and used in traditional medicine. According to traditional Chinese medicine, the bones and horns of these animals can cure illnesses ranging from colds to nightmares and even erectile dysfunction. But scientific studies have found no medical justification for these claims, and Chinese medicine organizations have been urging an end to the use of endangered species for years. China banned the trade and use of tiger bone and rhino horn in 1993, the same year they were removed from the Chinese medicine pharmacopoeia. The World Wildlife Fund said that it is deeply concerning that China has reversed its 25-year-old tiger bone and rhino horn ban, allowing a trade that will have devastating consequences globally. The reversal could lead to an expansion of the tiger and rhino black market, according to the WWF. Traditional Chinese medicine is a $100 billion industry, which experts say China is trying to grow through the easing of this ban. The new rules on the use of tiger and rhino parts were relaxed only for medical applications. Poaching is still prohibited. But critics say that the number of animals China can farm will not meet demand, and buyers could turn to poachers instead. I'm Adam White, and for more on the biggest stories from China and beyond, subscribe to our newsletter, tweet at us, or follow us on Facebook and Instagram.